Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. We haven't done a video like this in a while, but it's a pretty important video. It kind of gives the state of the RV industry. Also, exciting news on a new campground that's going to be opening. You want to make sure you stay to the end for that.
Before we jump into the video, if you enjoy videos like this, we do offer a lot of different types of RV videos. If you find them valuable, we ask that you just subscribe to the channel. It really helps YouTube share our videos more, and it'll let you know when we put out our latest videos.
Now, we used to do videos like this quite often, but we've been traveling a lot more, so there's only so many videos we can put out. But we had a little bit of a chance. We're here at RV Max in Greenville, South Carolina, and we do have a little bit of downtime. And we saw this, and we thought it was important because we haven't done one of these in a while. So the RVIA, which is the RV Industry Association, they just put out their November 2025 shipment numbers, and we're going to bring that to you. Kind of what does that mean? Now, those are different than the sales or registrations. Those come out a little bit later, but we'll cover this for right now.
This is from RVIA.org, and it's titled November RV Shipments, Top 21,000. Results for the RV Industry Association's November 2025 survey of manufacturers found the total RV shipments ended the month with 21,424 units. This is a negative 9.1% growth rate compared to the 23,573 units shipped in November 2024. But to date, RV shipments are up 2.7%. with a total of 318,901 units.
So the quote from the RVIA president, CEO Craig Kirby, RV shipments for the year continued to slightly outpace 2025, which aligns with the latest forecast from ITR Economics, showing an expected 2.8% increase this year. As we look ahead in 2026, our manufacturers are prepared to meet the continued demand with innovation and affordable products that allow families to create lifelong memories in the great outdoors. Now, when we go to the shows, we have been seeing the industry kind of responding, obviously, to the increased cost on everything, not only on RVs, just everything in general. We're seeing more entry-level coaches. Like when we were at the Hershey show, we saw a couple motorhomes for under $100,000. Trailers are less expensive. Now, that doesn't reflect like the higher end motorhomes. They just keep getting more expensive, but there are options that are being offered that are less expensive, if that makes sense. So let's go over some numbers. We're just gonna compare the November 24 to 25, the year over year, just give you a percentage difference.
Travel trailers decreased 16.5%. Fifth wheels had a nice big jump. Actually, they jumped 25.8%. Folding camping trailers,
Pop-ups,
increased 16%. Again, these are smaller numbers, along with the truck campers, also smaller numbers, but also increased 11%.
So the overall towables are down 8.5%. Again, November 24 through November 25 comparison. Let's compare the motorized. Type A's are up 6.2%. Type B's are down 53.9%.
That's a big drop.
C's are pretty much the same. They're down 0.3%. For overall motorhomes, are down 13.5%, and total RV shipments are down 9.1% for, again, November through November, and then year over year, 2.7% that they're up, which is what Craig Kirby said. So slow growth. I don't know how long it's going to take for the numbers to come back. I just know we know a lot of dealerships. The motorized are really kind of hurting.
And it's been like that.
It's been like that for, like, they're just not moving. As far as new, the used ones, you find a good used unit, those move pretty fast. For a lot of dealerships, the towables are what's kind of keeping them alive, and the service department, of course.
So this is really, really exciting, near and dear to our heart, because this is dealing with Tennessee. So Dollywood plans a major expansion through 2050 with an RV park. So this is a long project.
It was an expansion on the whole Dollywood itself, but it also includes an RV park, which is kind of awesome.
So here's the information. Dollywood is looking ahead with plans to develop more resorts, attractions, and even an outdoor RV campground in its Pigeon Forge, Tennessee property. With about 840 acres of undeveloped land and a rolling $500 million strategic plan, the park aims to grow its hospitality offerings to 5 resorts and unique experiences. And this is all guided by Dolly Parton's vision and view. And Dollywood is awesome.
We actually have a chance to go there.
Yeah, we were just there this past summer, and we had a really good time. It actually rained a lot, so it wasn't that crowded, which was pretty cool. It's a really great amusement park, and I know they're open most of the year. I think that the Smoky Mountain Christmas is huge.
That's when we won't go.
Well, yeah, let us know if you've been to Smoky Mountain Christmas. I know I was seeing on Facebook some people talking about it, and but the crowds, apparently the lines are ridiculous. So yeah, that would be something we avoid. But let us know if you've been to Dollywood, what your thoughts are. But we really enjoyed it.
So that's really exciting. A couple updates for us. Like I said earlier, we are in Greenville, South Carolina now. We leave here and we're heading down to Florida. We will be at the Florida RV Super Show, so we are having a meetup. We do have a recap video that's probably, a preview video that's coming out. If it's not out already, if it is out, we'll link it up above. Just kind of give you all the details on that Tampa show. We do have a meetup, so follow us on social media, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, of course on YouTube, and we'll be posting there all that information. Then we'll be at the Prevost Plus show. I don't know if anybody's going there, but this is our first time at any Prevost show. And this is the first year for the Prevost Plus show, so that's exciting. So we want your feedback on a bunch of different things. Interaction is what helps us out and what allows people to speak on here. What do you think about the numbers? Is that what you're seeing around you? Also, are you in the market for an RV? Will you be at the Tampa show? Will you be warm for the winter season? Or are you just winterized? We want your information. We want your feedback. Put it in the comments below.
If you're interested in seeing more of our travels and a lot of DIY projects that we do, we're going to link 2 videos right to the left of us.
We hope to see everybody down in Florida, and we'll see you guys on the road.